morning, friends. Welcome to Unit 6, American Symbols. This is week 5 of our distance learning packet. Welcome to day 3 of reading, research, and writing. Today, we will do our second read. That means we will read Stars and Stripes again, because our objective is today you will reread and annotate the text Stars and Stripes to gather evidence and information on a graphic organizer. Directions: reread Stars and Stripes. Annotate the text by starring details that support the main idea. The American flag is a special symbol for our country. Using your annotations, fill out 2 to 3 supporting details in the blank spaces or branches of the web graphic organizer on the following page. Be sure to use evidence from the text to support your answers. On the next few slides, I will show you what we are going to be doing in order to complete our objective for today. Here is a picture of the graphic organizer. I will give you a few seconds to find yours so that you can write notes while we read. I also want you to go into your packet where the story Stars and Stripes is, so you can put stars next to the really important key details that you want to use on your graphic organizer. Remember, last week, Ms. Choi showed us how we can annotate. Let's go ahead and read our graphic organizer. Main idea: the American flag is a special symbol for our country. We are going to put supporting details from the text in the 3 boxes. Let's go ahead and read our story again, this time while we read. Make sure you have your own story in front of you. If you don't, that's okay. Just follow along and write down any important details you want to include in your graphic organizer. Are we ready? Stars and Stripes. Our flag has a story. The 13 colonies that formed our country all had different flags. We needed one flag for all of the United States. We made a flag that had 13 bright stars and 13 bold stripes. So I am going to annotate on this page. I'm going to draw a star because those were the directions I was given. On this page, I am going to draw a star. I think this is really important supporting details that might help me in my graphic organizer. Now, let's move on. We made our new flag in red, white, and blue. We called our flag the Stars and Stripes. If you think there is good supporting details on this page, then put a star next to the words that you think are important details. Our country grew, so we added 2 new stars and 2 new stripes. A famous song was written about this flag. If a song was written about the flag, I bet the flag is really special. So I'm going to put another star right here because I think a famous song was written about this flag is important details to support that the US flag is an important and special symbol. Our country grew more and more. We needed to change our flag again. We went back to having 13 stripes on the flag. The stripes show our country began with 13 states. That sounds like that might be a really important idea. So I'm going to put a star here. because that might help me with my graphic organizer. June 14th is Flag Day. We fly our stars and stripes on Flag Day. We remember the story of our flag. It is the story that hasn't ended yet. Remember, we are filling out our graphic organizer, which shows why the flag is such an important or special American symbol. So I'm thinking there's a holiday for Flag Day. So I'm going to put a star right here. And I am done annotating my story. So now I'm finished annotating the story. How did you annotate yours? What did you put a star next to that I didn't put a star next to? Take a look through all of your pages and then get your graphic organizer out and let's fill it out. Now I will show you how Ms. Valdez filled out her graphic organizer to support the main idea. The American flag is a special symbol for our country. The first flag had 13 stars and stripes. I found this evidence on page 4. My supporting detail says the first flag had 13 stars and stripes. Remember, my main idea says the American flag is a special symbol for our country. So at first, it only had 13 stars and stripes. That symbolized that there were 13 colonies to begin with for the 13 stars and stripes. What can you add as supporting details for our main idea? Remember, you can always rewind and listen to the story again to help you fill out your graphic organizer. Good luck, first graders! You guys did an awesome job this week.